Welcome to Trouble's classroom.
Hola. My name is Mr. Trouble. Welcome to my classroom. Today we will learn about greetings in Spanish. Okay, let's start. Do you know that Spanish is a Romance language that originated in the Iberian Peninsula of Europe, and today is a global language with more than 483 million native speakers, mainly in Spain and the Americas. It is the world's second most spoken native language, after Mandarin, and the world's fourth most spoken language, after English, Mandarin and Hindi. By Wikipedia. Pronunciation tips. The X in Mexico is pronounced as H. In Spanish, when G followed by E or I is pronounced as H. H is always silent in Spanish. Grammar tips. Use different endings for masculine, usually ends with O, and feminine objects, usually ends with A. And for plural form, just add an S in the end of the word. Okay, that's it for the pronunciation and the grammar tips. I hope you all understand. And now let's move on to some greetings in Spanish. Hi.
Hola.
Let's say it together.
Hola.
Remember, H is always silent in Spanish. Good morning. Translate to
Buenos días.
Let's say it together.
Buenos días.
Good afternoon. Good evening. Translate to
Buenas tardes.
Let's say it together.
Buenas tardes.
Good night. Translate to
Buenas noches.
Let's say it together.
Buenas noches.
Remember, greetings such as good morning, and good afternoon, etc. always take up plural forms in Spanish. That's why we add S in the end of the word. Today we've learned some greetings in Spanish such as Hi. Translate to
Hola.
Good morning. Translate to
Buenos días.
Good afternoon. Good evening. Translate to
Buenas tardes.
Good night. Translate to
Buenas noches.
That's it for today. I hope you all enjoy being in my class. And see you next time.
Hasta luego.